Tip number one, if you've been pulled over for a DUI, is to realize that when the police pull you over, they're immediately gathering information. So you probably want to say as little as possible, especially if you've been drinking, because they're going to be smelling your breath, they're going to be looking at your eyes, they're going to be listening to how you talk, how you pronunciate. They're basically evaluating you to determine whether or not you're intoxicated. Tip number two, when you're pulled over for a potential DUI, is to be courteous to the police officer. Realize they're just doing their job. They're seeing people night after night. And if you're rude to them, they're going to handle you appropriately from their mindset. Remember, this is a subjective thing. If you're nice with them, if you're professional, if you're reasonable, you stand a much better chance of not being arrested. Tip number three, if you've been pulled over for a potential DUI. At this point, you would be pulled out of the car and the police now believe that you've had alcohol and you may be intoxicated. Realize they're going to be watching you, they're going to be judging you. You do not have to take the PAS exam, which is the handheld device, and you also do not have to take the field sobriety test. So you're going to have a decision to make. If you haven't had much to drink and you feel fine, you're okay to take the test. You'll pass them, you'll probably be on your way. If you have been drinking though, you must consider not taking the test, because then they have nothing to use against you and you empower your defense attorney to defend you in the future.